now moving on to a big story from Nagaland. Well, 9 more persons in the state have tested positive for deadly COVID-19. Of the fresh 9 cases in Nagaland, 5 have been detected in Dimapur and 4 in Kohima. Notably, all the fresh 9 cases are Chennai returnees that comprises of 5 male and 4 female. With this, the total cases tally in Nagaland has shot up to 58, with all of them being active cases. That's right, big story at this point of time. 9 more persons in Nagaland have tested positive for deadly COVID-19. Of the fresh 9 cases in Nagaland, 5 have been detected in Dimapur and 4 in Kohima. Notably, all the fresh 9 cases are Chennai returnees that comprises of 5 male and 4 female. With this, the total cases tally in Nagaland has shot up to 58, with all of them being active cases. Right, viewers, big news at this point of time. 9 more persons in Nagaland have tested positive for deadly COVID-19. Well, of the fresh 9 cases in the state, 5 have been detected in Dimapur and 4 in Kohima. Notably, all the fresh 9 cases are Chennai returnees that comprises of 5 male and 4 female. Well, with this, the total cases tally in Nagaland has shot up to 58, with all of them being active cases. All right, our correspondent Sarah Konyak from Nagaland joins me live at this point of time. Well, Sarah, just like other northeastern states, even in Nagaland now, the situation is indeed getting grim. Well, 9 more persons tested positive for COVID-19 of the fresh 9 cases in Nagaland. Well, tell us more on that. Give us all the latest update.
Yes, Prerna, absolutely. The state is witnessing a rise in the number of positive cases. And just this morning, 9 fresh new cases have been detected, 5 from Dimapur and 4 from Kohima. Out of the 115 samples, test samples results that were received this morning. And all these patients, all the positive cases are getting treated under different medical COVID-19 hospitals in Kohima, Dimapur and Tuensang. And the current state tally stands at 58, and all the 58 positive cases in the state are all from the Chennai returnees who had arrived in the state on the 22nd of May. Prerna.
Well, Sarah, tell us how's the situation there? What about the condition of the patient?
Yes, the health minister also had made a personal call to all the positive cases, to all the patients just day before yesterday. And the updates that we're getting is that all the patients are in stable condition. Out of the excluding the 9 fresh cases that were detected this morning, the 48 cases till yesterday, 33 persons are said to be asymptomatic and 16 are having mild symptoms, and none of the patients are in any moderate or critical condition. 33 out of the 48 till yesterday, 33 are asymptomatic and 16 are having mild cases, and all the patients are under stable condition.
Well, Sarah, how is the contact tracing going on? Have the primary contact traced yet?
Yes, with regard to the primary contact tracing of all the 58 cases, since all the active cases are from the Chennai returnees, all these people who have been tested positive was quarantined on the 22nd of May after their arrival from the Shramik special train from Chennai. And the contact tracing has not been a very major challenge for the surveillance unit or the health department as well. They are able to easily track them. And so contact tracing has been activated for the 9 fresh cases as well. All those people who have come in contact with this new cases will also undergo sample testing. And also to be mentioned here, Prerna, is that since maximum number of the positive cases have been detected from Dimapur, the high-powered committee, which was constituted day before yesterday in the cabinet meeting, which is headed by the Chief Minister himself, have decided that a new COVID-19 hospital will be set up in Dimapur. The tourist lodge in Dimapur will now be converted into a COVID-19 hospital.
All right,
Prerna.
that's indeed a big relief, but you know, stranded returnees are coming back to their own state. How is the procedure going on? How is the screening procedure going on in your state, Sarah?
Yes, a lot of returnees have entered the state in the past 2 weeks. As per the data that we have received, more than 6,000 returnees have entered the state, and trained carrying around 1,600 passengers from Bangalore have also departed just last night, and they are expected to arrive on the 5th of June. So all standard operating procedures are being followed, and once they arrive, they will be directly taken to the Agri Expo Dimapur, where they will be undergoing thermal screening, after which they will be segregated into district-wise, and they'll be sent for the mandatory 14-day quarantine. And also to be added here, Prerna, is that the state government have also procured 20 TrueNet testing facility kits, which will be distributed to all the districts in order to enhance, as there is only one laboratory and the maximum test that is being conducted in a day is 90, apart from other samples being sent to Manipur and Assam.
All right, Sarah, thank you so much for updating with all the details.